I am going to teach you how to create high-quality pictures videos just like this one using AI.
A lot of people have been looking for a way to generate high-quality images. I'm going to teach you how to use different apps to generate quality images for your videos, your animated tales, your stories. Hello and welcome to Victoria Creative Tech. I teach about AI animation, creative tech, and how to generate massive income using your smartphone. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they can also gain more value. Let's dive into the teaching right now. You come to chatgpt and click here. We are going to type create high quality partially 3D pixel style animated African woman comfortably sitting on a sofa in a cozy home. This is the image chatgpt has created. Tap on the image and save it. Now we'll come over to Gemini AI and create image with nano banana. That prompt, we are still going to type that same prompt here. Create high quality partially 3D pixel style animated African woman comfortably sitting on a sofa in a cozy. We'll create it and see what Gemini is going to create for us. Wow, this is beautiful. This is what Gemini AI created for us. He added a little pet. So we are going to save it. On your Chrome browser, you type leonardo.ai. We will paste that same prompt. You can change the aspect ratio of this place to 9:16. We'll paste that same prompt here and allow it to generate. Let's see what it's going to give us. This is what Leonardo AI generated. You can see it. Beautiful. We'll come over to Grok. On the Grok AI, you come to imaging. So I'm going to paste the same prompt for it to generate it for us. What we are trying to generate is high quality pixel style of an African woman. So wait for it to generate. You can see, wow, beautiful. This is what Grok created for us. It creates different high quality. It creates a lady sitting on a sofa. It creates a lady sitting on a sofa in different styles, even the animated, the cartoon style, the African woman style, the dark skin African woman style, in different positions. Over to Grok AI. I'll click on create video. I'll tap on this arrow here. I'll click on edit image. Bring in the image and I'll write in Nigeria accents. Let her say. I'll paste my prompts and click on it for it to use the lip sync. In Nigeria accent, let her say. I'll paste my prompts. Going to generate for us.
Hey my fabulous friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your AI sing with flawless lip sync. This is powerful.
I know with this tutorial, you have gained how to generate high quality images and videos for your animated tales, stories, and movies. Make sure you subscribe to Victoria Creative Tech, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share. See you in my next one.